Hello, I'm Brett Vincent, owner of AI Masterminds. Before we get started reviewing this manslaughter case today, please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons to learn about the great business innovations from AI Masterminds. Also, we ask you to get involved. Give us your comments, send us your feedback, and we'd love to hear what you're thinking about what we're thinking. Recently, one of our customers, Schaefer Law, gave us the opportunity to provide them with ideas where AI and ChatGPT could be integrated into their daily tasks. They'd like to create a more efficient workplace, wouldn't we all? During our first meeting, I suggested AI Masterminds be given access to a case like a DUI, which had already been closed and was public record. We would then, in turn, rerun the case from inception to close and provide a comparison of time between AIM's suite of legal products and their current procedures. We returned to our office with a vehicular manslaughter case, California Penal Code 192C1. Not what we had in mind, but we began to build our data set in our large language model. Additionally, we decided we would build 3 avatar bot roles, loaded with AIM Forensics, AIM Docs API, and ChatGPT's API to handle the case. So here I'm going to take a minute and introduce you to the girls. These are the brains of our operation.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sandy, one of Brett's AI assistants. My role is communication. I gather information from both the prosecution and defense teams. I also am tasked with asking questions when the information in the dataset is inconclusive. My job is to sort of fill in the blanks. Let's meet Natalie. Hello, everyone. I'm Natalie, another one of Brett's AI assistants. My role is documentation. I gather information from Brett, Jackie, and Sandy, our AI team. Then electronically, I prepare the documents necessary to assist the team. These may include petitions, motions, and other necessary filings to keep things moving. Typically from the dataset, I can in minutes create these documents without needing review. These documents are then generated and filed electronically in seconds. I am the person who can give you more time by the pool. Let's meet Jackie.
Hello, I'm Jackie. Forget all those other great-looking avatars, as I am the brains of this operation. My job is to analyze all the data presented to the dataset, and from there I create the unquestionable answers. Some people want fluff. Not me. I give you the cold hard facts. The cold hard facts here are: Dan Bowman was not guilty. Watch and you will see my mastery at work with AIM Forensics. See you soon. Jackie. Hello, Jay. I am Sandy, one of Brett's AI assistants. Brett would like to thank you for taking the time out of your busy day Friday to discuss some of the achievable AI tasks in the office. Brett has tasked me with building a hypothetical court case that has been constructed in AI. Please keep in mind that the case may seem very real. We do, however, stress it is not. This case is being presented as a mock-up of the AI possibilities in your law office. The case and all the components were all generated by our AI Masterminds large language model dataset built by Brett at AI Masterminds. Let's get started. Jay. We are going to begin by presenting the mock-up details dataset that will represent the proceedings in this case. Keep in mind this is for demonstration only. Here is the summary of the known facts of the case. On Monday at approximately 7:30 a.m., our client Dan Bowman, a 23-year-old resident of Bellflower, California, was operating his Chevrolet C10 pickup truck as he left a Shell gas station located at the corner of State and Gage Streets in Bellflower. As exiting the Shell station, Dan struck Beverly Abernathy, a white 23-year-old female, an unseen pedestrian in the driveway of the service station. 3 days later, on Wednesday at 4 p.m., Beverly Abernathy was pronounced dead at Community Hospital of Huntington Park. According to the attending physician, Dr. Marjorie Jenkins, the victim died as a result of head injuries sustained in the accident. I can confirm that at approximately 18:55 on Friday night, January 27, 2023, our client was arrested at his residence in Bellflower without incident. Our legal team was promptly notified of the arrest at 22:55 p.m. on Friday evening through our advanced AI systems, which immediately initiated the process of assembling and mobilizing our AI defense team.
Hello, Jay. I am Natalie. I represent the new AI bail division of our firm. We have prepared a petition for bail to be electronically submitted. Petition for bail hearing. To the Honorable Judge Andrew Williams. From Defense Counsel for Dan Bowman. Re. People v. Dan Bowman, case number 169569. We, the undersigned defense counsel for Dan Bowman, respectfully request a bail hearing in the above captioned matter. As you are aware, our client has been charged with vehicular manslaughter in violation of California Penal Code SS 192C1 in connection with an incident that occurred on Monday, January 24, 2022. According to the prosecution, our client allegedly struck and killed a pedestrian, Beverly Abernathy, while exiting a gas station parking lot in his pickup truck. We understand the gravity of the charges against our client and do not take them lightly. However, we respectfully submit that our client should be granted bail for several reasons. First, our client has no prior criminal record and has strong ties to the community. He has lived in the same residence in Bellflower for the past 5 years, is employed as a mechanic, and has a steady income. He also has a significant support system in the form of family and friends who are willing to assist him in making bail and ensuring that he appears for all court appearances. Second, our client has cooperated fully with the authorities since the incident. He remained on the scene, called 911 immediately, administered first aid to the victim, and was cooperative with the police during the investigation. Third, the prosecution's case against our client is not as strong as they suggest. We have retained a respected accident reconstruction expert who has reviewed the evidence and concluded that the incident was not caused by our client's reckless behavior, but rather by a combination of factors, including poor lighting and the limited visibility at the gas station. Finally, we note that our client is not a flight risk. He has willingly submitted to arrest and has not attempted to flee or evade prosecution. He poses no danger to the community, and his release on bail will not pose a threat to public safety. In light of these factors, we respectfully request that the court grant our client bail in the amount of $50,000. We are willing to agree to any conditions that the court deems necessary to ensure that our client appears for all court appearances and does not pose a threat to the community. Thank you for your consideration. Respectfully submitted. Defense Counsel for Dan Bowman. CC, District Attorney Janice Stewart.
Well, that was a great story. At AI Masterminds, we recently had the opportunity to showcase the effectiveness of AI and ChatGPT in the legal field. We were originally tasked with testing the efficiency of AI against traditional legal office procedures. However, what began as a simple experiment in the office quickly became an examination of the power of AI, which, none of us could have predicted. After showcasing the potential benefits of AI, Schaefer Law was eager to see the results of our analysis. In our next meeting, we will present the findings of the autopsy report and Beverly's last doctor appointment. These documents raise questions about the initial guilty ruling in the case. We discovered that Beverly's cause of death was likely not related to the impact of Dan's truck, but rather something we found in the last doctor's appointment, which included a brain scan. And when I say that I'm talking about our AIM forensics module. Our AIM's forensics module compared all of this data in the data set and determined the new cause of death. Our AIM forensics technology allowed us to uncover crucial information that could potentially change the outcome of the case. We hope to continue demonstrating the capabilities of AI in the legal field and show how it can streamline processes, provide more accurate support and communication, and ultimately lead to better outcomes for all parties. Hey, stay tuned for day 2 and more updates on this exciting project. We'll see you again.